time for your ABC 36 Storm Team forecast.
Well, things playing out exactly as anticipated this weekend with some destructive and unfortunately deadly flooding here in central and eastern Kentucky. And we had a quick changeover to snow this morning, and it dropped a good 1 to 2 inch snowfall across a good chunk of the bluegrass region. Now, the flooding along area rivers, streams, low-lying areas, that is going to continue the next few days. Waters are already receding, but it's going to take a while, so you definitely need to keep that in mind. Quiet President's Day on tap, mixed clouds and sunshine. Cold high temperatures will take the dry day because a fairly significant winter storm looks to be possible heading into the midweek. Some of the river levels here, when you see the red and purple shading, we're looking at moderate to major impact, but already hearing some good news. Hazard, for example, has fallen below 20 feet, which is now below official flood stage. But we still have aerial flood warnings, meaning probably 3/4 of the state still have areas in many of the counties with closed roads due to flooding and a number of problems. And then we've got the river flooding aspect of it. You can literally trace these. The Kentucky River splits off South Fork, North Fork running through Jackson, Hazard, the Cumberland River down south, Levisa Fork out to the east. And this will go on again for the next few days here. Look at all of the storm reports. The majority of these all due to flooding and flash flooding over the last 24 hours. And even though the rain has come to an end, we mentioned this a number of times leading into the weekend, there's still going to be some standing water, high water, closed roadways, turn around, don't drown. Doesn't take much to sweep a person or a car into the flooded roadways. Now, the cold air has moved in, so as a result, we've got that west and northwest wind bumping up in the mountains of southeastern Kentucky. And of course, that is producing some light snow showers. Top of the hour, we'll be done with a winter weather advisory here. It does go overnight across the southeast because temperatures, notice here in Mount Sterling, we're at 30. And that is going to help some of the side areas, potentially the roadways, some black ice and freezing there. More than 20 degrees colder than 24 hours ago. Winds are still up. That's putting our wind chills in the upper teens and low 20s. So we got a quick area of high pressure. Notice the emphasis on quick. We won't really see much clearing. Again, a few scattered snow showers. At least a mix of clouds and sunshine. Tomorrow morning, President's Day morning, will be in the upper teens. A lot of folks off school and work. That helps relative to the flooding, but it is going to be on the chilly side. And we mentioned this system coming across the country, going down to our south as we roll into the midweek here. And you notice Wednesday, we really upped the precipitation chances. So here's how it plays out. Into Tuesday, late in the day, really Tuesday night and into Wednesday. It's going to be cold enough for all snow top to bottom. The warm front well to our south. Look at temperatures into Wednesday morning. Some deeper blue indicating, again, a decent amount of snow. Several inches potentially on the table at this point. Obviously, we will be fine-tuning that in the coming days. And to that end, already have a winter storm watch out for central and out into western Kentucky with the heavier snow potential, several inches. That runs Tuesday evening to Wednesday evening. So 7-day forecast next couple of days. We're looking pretty good, albeit chilly, upper 20s. Your winter storm threat day, Tuesday night into Wednesday. And then after that, we do settle down for a while. Got some pretty frigid morning lows heading toward the weekend. But this time next week, highs right around 40.